JF-17 is recent development as compared to early F-16. When Pakistan stated this program with China, their aim was to develop an aircraft as capable of F-16 that Pakistan was already operating. JF-17 meet those early requirements. This aircraft will replace the older soon-to-be retired aircrafts like Mirage, IS-3 and 5, and F-7P etc. Those planes are a go old, and I guess JF-17 is a very good replacement for these, especially if Pakistan is assembling these aircraft. That means no reliance on foreign for maintenance and spare parts, and with time Pakistan has the option to upgrade it according to its own needs, which is not an option with aircraft they buy. Like Inida is buying 37 Rafal from France, they may operate this aircraft but cannot upgrade it. So I guess JF-17 is a good path for Pakistan for self-reliance. This will allow Pakistan to buy more advanced aircraft in few numbers to enhance its capabilities. As far as the question is concerned, I guess the objectives of this plane is to match early F-16 capabilities and replace outdated aircrafts like Mirages from Pakistan Air Force.